Hello students, today I am going to teach you ICT for paper 1 UGC. ICT, you know, it is a part of computer science subject, and from this subject questions are like from sometimes the questions are from very basic and sometimes the questions are very lengthy and tricky. So I will start from the basic question. Like the first question is, the term bit is short for. Bit is the short form of binary digit. Which of the following is an example of email protocol? You know that a protocol is a set of rules which is used to govern the exchange of information in internet services. We have different type of protocol. For example, here we have HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, which is used to transfer file from client computer to server computer. Then we have file transfer protocol, which is used to transfer files. HTTP is used when we browse the internet, like I used to open Google and I typed something I want to search, then there will be a request sent from my client computer to the server computer. Like that, there will be acknowledgement will be there and I will be authenticated based on my correct password. POP3 and HTML. HTML, you know, is the hypertext markup language. So which is an example of email protocol? So POP3, post office protocol, is an example of email protocol. If there will be a question like which protocol is used to transfer mail, then it will be simple mail transfer protocol. Which of these is not a web browser? Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. You can see these three are the web browser. Only Linux is not a web browser. Linux is an operating system. IP address is used to. Internet protocol is again a protocol. It is used to locate a website, identify a device on a network, block malware and store data. So block malware, we have firewall. Locate a website, no, we have uniform resource locator. So we have the answer will be identify a device on the network. IP एड्रेस किस लिए यूज़ होता है? किसी डिवाइस को उसके नेटवर्क में पहचानने के लिए. हर कंप्यूटर का अलग अलग IP एड्रेस होता है जिससे कंप्यूटर एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में डेटा का एक्सचेंज होता है. DNS किस लिए यूज़ होता है? DNS इज़ यूज टू, इसके फुल फॉर्म से ही इसका डेफिनेशन है, डोमेन नेम सिस्टम is used to transfer file, convert domain name into IP address, provide security to email, filter